You might remember this clip from a couple days ago on my Instagram page. Well, I'd like to take a few minutes and show you how I made this. Stick around. So the inspiration for this project happened in my daily routine at work. One of the schools that I support, this spaceship shape is the mascot for their school, the Explorers. So I've been looking at this thing for quite a while now and been thinking that this would be a great wood turning project. So I finally decided to pull the trigger on it and make a lidded box shaped like a spaceship. Now, I've made a lidded box before on this channel, so this video won't be so much an instructive video as it would be just demonstrated. I will link to the lidded box video here and probably at the end of the video. The one thing that you may notice right away is that this one, the order of operations is a little bit altered. For one thing, I didn't really know what I was doing. As usual, I'm designing from the seat of my pants, so I kind of made it up as I went. I want to take a moment and let you know just how much I appreciate you watching this video. I'd also like to encourage you to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already done so, and click the little notification bell so you'll be notified when I release new content. Also, I'd like to mention that in the video description there are links to the tools and products that I use in this video. These are affiliate links and they do help us out, so if you're interested, there they are. Anyway, back to the action. So that was fun. As usual, I'm designing from the seat of my pants. So I really had no idea what I was doing, and I'm sure that this is probably not the most efficient way to do this project, but I got it done. So if you're walking around and inspiration strikes, don't be afraid to get out in the shop and give it a shake. Worst case scenario, you mess up a piece of wood, but it does in fact grow on trees. You can always try again. Thanks for watching, and remember, dread not and make something. Peace.